Yes, ma'am. Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Josephine R. Cordova. I'm 43 years old. I live in Montalban, Rodriguez, Rizal. I'm a solo parent. I have a poor daughter. Their age is 23 years old, 20 years old, 17 years old, and 11 years old. Um, I have experience as domestic helper in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia in 2016 until 2018. They I have 5 members in the family, Madam and Sir, and the 2 years and the 2 years old girl and 9 years old boy and 11 years old boy. My responsibilities duties is take care of the children, cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing. They have experience in Philippines in the 5 member in the family. Have a 2 months old baby and 17 years old girl. My responsibilities duties is I take care of the babies and the 17 years old girl and cooking, cleaning, washing. Um, Thank you, ma'am. So
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because my daughter for educational, because college, and I need, because I'm solo parents, I need support for my family and my daughter.
So how long do you expect to work in Hong Kong? How many years you want to
2 years, ma'am. I finished my contract as in my employers need my.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.